Imagine swapping the high-rise skyline of an urban city for the lush greenery of a typical yard in Kingston, Jamaica. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's delve into this contrast. Urban living often offers convenience and speed, but the rhythm of life in Kingston offers something different. Here, nature's bounty is right in your backyard. A typical yard in Kingston is a verdant oasis, brimming with an assortment of fruit trees, mangoes, bananas, ackee, breadfruit, you name it. These cozy spaces, about the size of a small basketball court, aren't just patches of green, but intimate pockets of life, testaments to the fertile lands of this beautiful island. They are a reflection of the love Jamaicans have for their land and a symbol of their connection to nature. These yards are a testament to the richness of Jamaican soil and the love the residents have for their land.
Look at this mango tree.
In the middle of this verdant oasis, one tree stands out, the Otaiti apple tree. This tree, an import from the far-off Polynesian islands, has found a comfortable second home in the yards of Kingston. Its beauty and the beloved fruit it bears distinguish it among the rest. The Otaiti apple tree, with its branches arching gracefully under the weight of its vibrant red fruit, is a sight to behold.
Something good, man.
Its fruit is bell-shaped, boasting a glossy, ruby-red skin that stands in striking contrast to the lush green of the tree's leaves. The tree itself, with its broad leaves and blossoming canopy, adds a unique aesthetic appeal to the yard, making it the star of this natural surrounding. Bite into an Otaiti apple, and you're treated to a sweet, slightly tart flavor that's hard to forget.
Green?
It's a flavor that takes you on a journey, a flavor that tells a story of the fertile Jamaican soil, the warm Caribbean sun, and the loving hands that tend to all these trees. The Otaiti apple, also known as the Jamaican apple or the Malay apple, holds a special place in Jamaican culture and its warm people. It's not uncommon to see a Jamaican apple tree, its vibrant red fruit, taking center stage in any Kingston yard. The simplicity of plucking and indulging in a fruit straight from your own tree encapsulates a wealth that goes beyond the mere taste. It's a richness of connection, a bond with the land, and a celebration of the bountiful warmth that defines Jamaican life.
See them, I love that yard there now. Have everything you want. What else more you want? Yeah? You have cherry too? Which part? And cherry the honey?
No, it's finished.
But how everything for done and now just summer just
You
start?
see, when fruits are ripe, children climb up the tree, their laughter echoing through the yard as they pick the fruits. Carefully, not to drop even a single one, they distribute these fruits among their neighbors, their faces beaming with pride and joy. This is a sight that's replicated in yards across Kingston, a testament to the sense of community that pervades this city. It's a tradition that's been passed down through generations, a cherished part of the local culture. It's a simple act that speaks volumes about the spirit of sharing and togetherness that's inherent in the Jamaican way of life. From the grounding feeling of climbing a tree to the sweet or sour taste of any fruit tree, the bounty of Kingston Yards is apparent. It's a journey of sensory delight, a journey that takes you to the very heart of Kingston. In the simplicity of a yard, we've tasted Jamaica's richness, one fruit at a time, through the vibrant red of the apple, the laughter of sharing jokes amongst each other, the camaraderie among neighbors. We've experienced a slice of life in Kingston, a slice that's as sweet and memorable with the sounds of laughter and friendly vibes. The beauty of a Jamaican yard lies not in its physical aspects, but in the experiences it offers, the sense of community, the bond with nature, the connection to our roots. It's a place where I learned to appreciate the simple pleasures of life, a place that taught me the importance of staying connected to my roots, no matter where life's journey takes me. If you enjoyed this journey and wish to keep exploring, do subscribe to my channel. Your support not only breathes life into these stories, but also serves as a bridge, bringing the vibrant spirit of Jamaica to our global community. Thank you for watching, and until we embark on our next adventure together, stay blessed, stay connected, and keep the exploration alive.